In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to redact in Microsoft Word. Redacting text is an important process when you need to hide or remove sensitive information from a document before sharing it with others. This is commonly used in legal documents, reports, and professional files where certain details must remain confidential. Instead of simply covering text visually, proper redaction ensures that the hidden information cannot be easily recovered or copied. To begin, open the Microsoft Word document that contains the text you want to redact. Once the document is open, carefully review the content and locate the information that needs to be hidden. This might include private data, confidential statements, or any text that should not be visible when the document is shared with others. After identifying the section you want to redact, use your mouse to highlight the text by clicking and dragging over the words. Highlighting the text allows you to apply formatting changes, specifically to that portion of the document. Once the text is selected, move your attention to the ribbon at the top of the Word window, and make sure you are on the Home tab. Within the Home tab, locate the font group where you will see several formatting tools. One simple way to visually redact text is by changing the font color so that it blends into a black highlight. First, click the Text Highlight Color tool and choose the black color option. This will place a black highlight over the selected text. Next, change the color of the text itself so that it matches the highlight. In the same font group, click the Font Color button and select black as well. Once both the highlight and the text color are set to black, the content will appear fully covered, creating the visual effect of redacted text. However, it is important to understand that this method only hides the text visually within the document. If someone removes the formatting, the original text could still become visible. Because of this, after applying the visual redaction, you should convert the document into a format that prevents easy editing. To do this, go to the File tab and choose the option to export or save the document as a PDF. When saved as a PDF, the formatting becomes much harder to modify, which helps preserve the redacted areas. Once the PDF is created, review the file to confirm that the hidden text remains fully covered and cannot be easily selected or revealed. And that's all there is to it. By highlighting and covering sensitive text and then saving the document in a secure format, you can quickly create a redacted version of your Microsoft Word file that is ready to share safely. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.